Indoor humidity plays a big role in how comfortable a home feels. When moisture levels rise too high, rooms can feel heavy, sticky, and less inviting. Over time, excess humidity can also affect interior surfaces and air quality. For homeowners in Mandeville, energy-efficient windows offer an effective way to help manage indoor humidity while maintaining comfort throughout the home. Why humidity control matters. High humidity doesn't just cause discomfort, it can also lead to condensation on windows, damp surfaces, and lingering odors. These issues often appear first around older or poorly performing windows, where warm indoor air meets cooler glass or leaks allow moist air to enter. Mandeville homeowners often look for ways to reduce humidity without relying entirely on mechanical systems. Energy-efficient windows provide a practical, long-term solution by helping regulate air movement and temperature differences. Reducing moisture through better sealing. One of the main ways energy-efficient windows help control humidity is by creating a tighter seal. Older windows may have worn weather stripping or gaps that allow humid outdoor air to enter the home. Energy-efficient windows are designed to fit precisely and seal tightly when closed. For Mandeville homes, this reduces the amount of moisture-laden air entering indoors, helping keep humidity levels more stable. Limiting condensation on glass surfaces. Condensation often forms when warm, moist indoor air contacts cool window surfaces. Energy-efficient windows are designed to reduce temperature differences between indoor air and the glass. By improving insulation, these windows help keep interior glass surfaces closer to room temperature. Mandeville homeowners often notice less condensation forming on windows, especially during periods of higher humidity. Supporting balanced indoor airflow. Humidity control isn't just about sealing, it's also about ventilation. Energy-efficient windows often work well alongside natural ventilation strategies, allowing homeowners to release humid air when conditions are right. In Mandeville homes, opening energy-efficient windows during mild conditions helps remove excess moisture without allowing humidity to build up again quickly. This balanced airflow supports a more comfortable indoor environment. Improving comfort in moisture-prone rooms. Certain areas of the home, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry spaces, generate more moisture than others. Energy-efficient windows help manage humidity in these rooms by preventing moisture from becoming trapped. Mandeville homeowners often find that rooms feel drier and more comfortable after upgrading windows, especially in areas where humidity was previously an issue. Reducing the strain on indoor systems. When windows leak air and moisture, indoor systems must work harder to maintain comfortable conditions. Energy-efficient windows help reduce this strain by keeping indoor air where it belongs. For Mandeville homes, this means systems operate more efficiently while indoor humidity stays under better control. The home feels more balanced without constant adjustments. Supporting a healthier indoor environment. Excess humidity can contribute to a feeling of heaviness in the air. By helping regulate moisture levels, energy-efficient windows support a fresher, healthier indoor atmosphere. Mandeville homeowners benefit from living spaces that feel lighter, more breathable, and easier to enjoy throughout the day. Long-term performance and reliability. Energy-efficient windows are built to maintain their performance over time. Their durable seals and insulating properties continue to help manage humidity year after year. For Mandeville homeowners, this reliability provides peace of mind knowing their investment supports long-term comfort and moisture control. A smart choice for everyday comfort. Managing indoor humidity doesn't require complicated solutions. Energy-efficient windows offer a simple, effective way to help control moisture while improving overall comfort. For homeowners in Mandeville, upgrading to energy-efficient windows helps create a more comfortable, balanced home, one where indoor humidity is easier to manage and daily living feels more enjoyable.